everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to learn how to put together the Maui 5 Go in white. It comes in 4 components. There's the base module and 3 speaker components that are going to stack up on top of this unit right here. The speaker column array is made up of 3 components. There is the top speaker line array, which has no connector on the top and a 2-prong connector on the bottom. A middle spacer, which can be used or not used, depending on how tall you want the assembly to be. And the bottom component, which is the battery, as indicated by battery indicator on the back of it. When assembling it, the spacer is going to insert into the battery component, and similarly, the speaker is going to insert into the spacer component, as such. With all 3 components assembled, we're going to install it to the base component. And it's all put together. Now that the speaker is assembled, let's talk about the inputs on the top. First, we have our Bluetooth input, then a high Z input for a guitar, for example, and then a line input, and then lastly, a wired mic input for right there. All of this is controlled by a sub-level here and a main level here. So, for example, when you're using the unit, this would be your master audio out, and this would be your master low-end level. On the back of the unit, we have a few connections for expansion potential, and then we have the power switch on the bottom. Now that the unit is on, let's go ahead and connect to Bluetooth. What we're going to do is we're going to press and hold this link button down here. Until the blue light starts to flash. Then we're going to go to our device and we are going to look for LD Maui 5 Go. Now that your device is connected, we're going to show you how to control the volume. First, you're going to take the channel input, which is this one right here for Bluetooth, and put it up to about 3/4 of the way. Then we're going to control our master output. Sub-level can go up to about 50%, and then main level will be how loud or quiet you want it to be. Obviously, you can control the volume from your cell phone, laptop, or iPad, whatever you're using as your device. Now that the event's done, let's put everything away. The carrying case has 4 sections, 1 for each component, and then a 4th section for a spare battery, wires, or any other accessories.